Hello, everybody. This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. I trust you're blessed. I trust you're well. As always, guys, as always, I always show you guys the same thing, man, because what I'm showing you is consistently happening in the market every single time. All right. So it has been a very, very hectic week. A very hectic week. And we thank God. Now, I haven't had time to be here in a while, but I'm just gonna show you guys something. Now, what I'm gonna show you here is a session that I had with my students, the last session that we had with the beginners or the new guys. And we went through some stuff and I shared with them some pairs and stuff like that, just basic information about my approach to the market, or basically my concept in the market. The meeting was about 50 minutes long or so. That's the introduction only. Now, I want to take an excerpt of the things that we went through during our days, because this was on a Thursday. As you can see, it was on the 3rd of May. On the 3rd of May, you see underneath there. Let me, okay. You see that it was on the 3rd of May. And during this time, when we were doing this analysis, the markets were open. So it was a live session. And there is something that I said about a pair and what I was expecting on that pair that I need you guys to understand. I'm just going to play a small excerpt so that you may get what I was talking about. It may not make sense to you, but it will make sense to you in a while. I need you to listen to this. I'm going to play it. At this point, when they came here, I knew that their game was over. Unfortunately, they'd taken out some stop losses that were put somewhere here. But I knew that the game was over. It was like this. Of course, it was not so much as rewarding because it gave about 30 pips. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. So I'm expecting them to even move up, even tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm expecting them to move down to this point because there's this mark. Okay. You see, I illustrate something there. I need you to watch closely. Money here, and then begin to move up again. See that? That was my prediction on the Euro Aussie. That was my prediction on the Euro Aussie. And it was on an hourly time frame. So I was showing them that, remember, we use the M or the W setup as a way of entry. We don't trade M's and W's. We use them as a way of entry. So I gave them live before it even happened. Now, I need us to also look at what then happened afterwards on the Euro Aussie on the 4th of May. Let's look at what happened on the Euro Aussie on the 4th of May. Okay, right. This was the 3rd of May. This was the 3rd of May. And then the 4th of May was a Friday. Look at where I had predicted. You see where I had predicted that the market was going to turn. They formed a setup here. They formed a setup here. They formed a setup over there and then began to move up. Our target is usually 30 to 100 pips on a trade. I need you to see that. In this instance, we had about 57 pips that we could have caught. Now, why am I showing you this? Why am I sharing this with you guys? My whole point in this is trying to show you that there are people who say it's easy to just see the M's and W's after they have happened. It's difficult, or another case, to see them before they happen. In this instance, I told them what to expect. I told them what to expect, they knew the following day what they were coming to look for when they were coming into the Euro Aussie. As far as the Euro Aussie was concerned, they knew that they were coming to look for the lows of the day. Right. The market gave us 50 pips and then began to move up to break the low that we had established. But then remember, we are not necessarily behind the movement of the market. We are just retail traders. So when we meet our target, we get out of the market and then we leave the market. One of the rules I teach about people, how they can make money in Forex, is that you need to be patient and you need to be objective. I mean, you need to be patient, and you also need to make sure when you meet your objective, you get out of the market. That's the rule. That's the rule. So we did not care about what they were going to do after, because our target was met already in the morning. It was already met in the morning. So it is what it is, guys. I trust this benefits somebody. This shows you the light and all that. Stay blessed, everybody. We love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out.